Hey gorgeous, welcome back to my channel at HEYYY. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I created this cute, simple, abstract nail set. So as always, I start off by fitting and gluing the press-ons to my nails. Once the press-ons are on, I cut them to my desired length and file them down.
Despite times one day I just wanna hear you say I like you. What's up in you? What's up in you? What's up in you? What's up in you? Wish I could get that I am beside you on the bed. I like you. I like thinking about every bad mistake I made. I like you. So I used to say I'm fine. Something that you did to hurt me last. It comes to me. Despite times one day I just wanna hear you say I like you. What's up in you? What's up in you? What's up in you? What's up in you? I like you.
You say you want me, I don't ignore you. You said it first, but I did it more, girl. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. You got potential, I can't explain it. You're so persuasive, I made some changes. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Where were you this whole time? Come and see me now, not another time. You should come and see me on the regular. I don't know if
Once all the nails are cut and shaped, I move on to painting my base coat on my right hand.
you should come and see me on the regular. I don't know if we'll I've been sleeping with a pistol in my bed. I'd rather you here instead. I gotta get it out of my own head. Don't let me down, right now. Yeah. Don't let me down, come here right now. Grow up and face it, don't keep me waiting. You love me how you love me, just say it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Girl, what's the hold up? Come take me over. You came the closest, we should be closer. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Once my base coats are all done, I then move on to creating the artwork, and for this look I'm using just a basic hot pink color. And as always, all the products and tools that I'm using will be linked down below.
Don't let me down, come here right now. Yeah. Don't let me down, come here right now.
I'm stepping up, I took this shit. I'm stepping up, I took this shit. So don't you fight it. So don't you fight it. Baby boy, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy. Come on, girl, tell me how you feel. I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams. Baby boy, not a day goes by without my fantasy. Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal. I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
So once I'm done with my design, I go back in with the base coat just to mute out the hot pink color, and then I follow up with my top coat.
Is anybody if I go tonight, I doubt the world will change. I just pray they don't forget my name. Is the game rules?
Once I'm finished with my right hand, I repeat the same process on my left hand.
10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000. How much I'm spend for 5? She come in and compliment my closet. Football on the floor, like I don't give a fuck about it. You touch me, kick out, you make me down. My opposition wish I stopped smiling. My family wish I stopped wilding. Still on the east side, smoking with my OG. They the only ones that really know me. I was fucking superstars when I was 19. Jimmy, did you won't believe me? Now I'm at the turn up looking lonely. Really wanna quiet at the house parties. Cause everybody see me. Smoke some blunts and hit 'em once and I just need me. A nigga wanna be me, yeah, but they don't know if I need it. I feel like dying every season. I've been swimming in the deep end. All my bitches know I'm leaving. Some point, whether there's a reason or not. And try giving me reasons to stop.
Human special exclusive. Go to It's just urgent.
I disappear if you let me. Feel like Jericho, feel like choke me like this shit. Gotta hold my own request to be alone night. Ooh, way to kill the mood. No, you like SC me. Ooh, baby, heavy on my empty mind.
When I'm done with both hands, I use my body oil as like a cuticle oil, apply it to the base of my nails, and I am all set. So this is how the nails turned out. I absolutely love them. It's a simple design, but still very elevated. But let me know what you think down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. And I'll see y'all in the next one.